ladies and gentlemen. We're going to work on our calendar this morning. Do you remember the days of the week? I bet you do. Let's start and say the days of the week. Are you ready? There are 7 of them, and it starts with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All right. Now let's look and see if we can figure out what day of the week it is today. All right. So I know that this is whatever day it is. Here's the card I'm going to turn over right here. So I can just go right up here and see which day that is. So let's say the days over to here and see which one that is. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So today is Thursday, and then we need to figure out what the date is today. So let's count over on our numbers and see if we can figure out what this card is going to be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're 10 days into September already. Can you even believe it? So let's see if we can say what the date is today. Do you remember how that goes? We start with today is. Are you ready? Today is Thursday, September 10th, 2020. Good job. Okay? Great. Now, we're still in that nice summer season, but it's going to change over around the 22nd of September, and it will be, I know you remember, fall. That's right. So let's see if we can count down to the 22nd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Here's where we'll change over and we'll start saying it's fall. Let's see. I'm thinking about my sorting, and I'm thinking that if I were out somewhere and I found some coins laying around, I'm thinking of how I might sort them by size. Okay? So I was walking down the street and all these coins were laying on the ground. And I want to sort them by size. And then I'll know how much money I can count them because the coins are all different sizes. So I found a quarter. That's a big one, right? So I might put it in a pile by itself. Make it easier to count when I'm ready to count and see how much money I have. So I found a big quarter. And then I picked up this coin. Does anybody know what this coin is? It's the smallest coin. And here's how I remember it. I always say it's called a dinky dime. That makes me remember the name of it. It's the smallest coin, so it's dinky or small, and it's a dime. And both of those start with D, dinky dime. So here's a dinky dime. It's really tiny. I'm going to put it over here. And then I was walking and I found this coin. Anybody know what the name of this coin is? It's a nickel. Okay. Now it's a medium-sized coin. So it's smaller than my quarter, but it's bigger than my dime, so it's going to go in a group all by itself. All right? Then I was walking along and I found another one of these. Do you remember what my name for that small coin was? A dinky dime. I'm going to put that in my dinky dime pile right here. And then I was walking along and I found another one of these, that big coin. It's called a quarter. It's worth 25 cents. So I'm going to put that in the quarter pile. That's my big coin. And then I found another one of those dinky dimes. Put it right here in the dinky dime pile. And then I found another dinky dime. And I'll put it in the dinky dime pile. And another dinky dime. And I'll put it in the dinky dime pile. And then I found this. Another quarter. So I'm going to put it in my quarter pile. Now I have all my coins sorted by what size they are. And size of coins makes a big difference because it helps you remember which coin it is. The small one is a dinky dime, right? A medium-sized coin, the silver medium-sized coin is a nickel. And this large coin is a, do you remember? It's a quarter. Good job. So, let's look at those words that we talked about on Tuesday. Do you remember what your sight words were that we were talking about on Tuesday? They both start with this letter. They start with A. And one of them is A. Do you remember how to spell that word, A? Easy, right? It's just the letter A. Do you remember our other sight word that we talked about? It takes two letters to spell it, and the first one is A. Do you know what the second letter was? The word is act. So what do you hear? What's that second sound besides the act? It's a T. Okay? A and act. So when you see these words in a sentence, they're words all by themselves. A is a word all by itself, right? So I might say, now I'm going to use A at the beginning of a sentence. So if I use it at the beginning of a sentence, I have to use a capital A because all sentences, the first word is always capitalized. So I'm going to say A. It's a word all by itself because it's going to be in a sentence. A, cat, is, and then I need my other sight word. What's that word? At. A cat is at, A-T, my, where could he be? A cat is at my, how about he's at my house? What do you think house starts with? H. So when you see A by itself in a sentence, it's a word. And this time it's capitalized because I put it at the beginning of a sentence. A cat is at my house. Good job today. See you next week.